This video explores the details behind the technologies and manufacturing of the EurusFan, where excellence and innovation converge to bring value to customers. It's Eurus's mission to transform poultry and livestock ventilation efficiency with cutting-edge technologies, including direct drive and high-performance fans, as well as energy-efficient AC and EC motors. The motor is the most crucial part of a direct drive fan in poultry and livestock houses. Thanks to the robust motor system designs and special insulation processing for the motor winding, the Eurus AC and EC motors have a significantly longer lifespan than traditional motors. It is due to their low temperature rise and waterproof protection designs, making them ideal for durable operation in harsh farm environments. The IP grade of all Eurus AC and EC motors is IP66. The motor efficiency of all Eurus AC motors is above IE3, and all EC motors are above IE5. Eurus direct drive AC and EC motors support all global power supply systems. Unlike the impellers used in belt-driven fans, the high-performance impellers designed for direct drive fans feature high-speed designs. The blades are optimized with an aerodynamic airfoil design, which enhances impeller performance and efficiency. Additionally, the bionic winglet design on the blades reduces energy loss and noise levels. Our impellers are constructed from high-performance fiber-reinforced composite materials, which provide high-strength, lightweight properties, resistance to deformation, creep resistance, and low water absorption. Fan housings utilize a 3D surface fusion design to optimize aerodynamic performance. They are fabricated using the SMC molding process, which delivers exceptional strength through fiber-reinforced composite materials. By utilizing fan components designed and fabricated by DFA and DFI concepts, we can assemble and install our products on-site efficiently, quickly, and precisely. This approach enables us to reduce transportation costs for our customers by facilitating direct shipping and assembly at their designated locations. The patented airtight design of Eurus butterfly dampers ensures no airflow or light leakage when the fans are not operating. Additionally, the patented design of the synchronized damper doors ensures reliable and smooth opening and closing motions while contributing to high-level air tightness.